Alright, now we're going to take a look at the Hellcat cans by Sky Bacon Fireworks. Look at red, blue to silver crown. They are using the plastic caps. My advice would be to just pull all these off before you shoot them. Load them in the racks just like that. Should be good. Help clean up on the waste. Got 10 grams of BP. Pretty coarse stuff. Clay plug is just laying on top, very loose. "46 grams for the Hellcat can. 45, 46. It's pretty light. Shell's not really put together very well either. So, do another one. Gold willow with silver glitter. Really? Another 10 grams of BP. $39 yeah, so that puts her at 49. So yeah, these aren't going to be heavy performers. We'll have to touch them off and see how they look. Have a good one, guys. Just one more thing I could have pointed out, the tube here is pretty chintzy. It's not a very sturdy tube, so we'll have to see.